In this part we are going to learn about FontAwesome, and we also going to see why it is so awesome. So suppose we want to create a Facebook button. So we are going to create an anchor tag. So I'm going to write a.fb-btn using our image shortcut, which I have already told you guys. So, and for link I'm going to just give it a hash, and I'm going to write Facebook. So we can go into the CSS and then we can say .fb-btn. This is our class. Now I can say color hash fff, which is white. Now background color blue. This one. Okay, I can give it a padding of 10 pixel, and then 15 pixel should be fine. Okay, I'm going to give a margin top of 20 pixel. Okay, this is not going to work because a tag or anchor tag by default has display inline, so margin does not work with display inline, so we need to change it to inline block. So display inline block. Okay, now I'm going to give it a margin of left as well, left 20 pixel. Okay, this is looking awesome, but I also want to use Facebook icon, and for that we are going to use our FontAwesome. So just open any web browser and search for FontAwesome 4.7. We are going to use 4.7 version, that's because it's free. Okay, just go a little bit down, and in the search bar we can type Facebook. Now I want to take this logo, this one looks great. Just click, then we are going to copy this tag, but we also need FontAwesome CDN link. For that, just open a new tab, then type FontAwesome 4.7 CDN. By the way, CDN means Content Delivery Network. So we can just go here and make sure you change the version to 4.7. Now this mean.css, this one I'm going to copy link tag, and now go to our HTML, and inside the head tag I'm going to paste this. Okay, we can remove all this junk. Okay, no need for this. Okay, this is great. Now go back to the browser, and then we will need to copy this one also. Now we will go back to the VS Code, and I will write it in multiple lines so that you guys can easily see. Okay, so our icon is already here, but this one is not looking so good, so I'm going to change to this one. Just replace this with that new one. Now this is looking awesome. I'm going to get rid of this underline first, so text decoration none. Okay, and I want some margin between this icon and this word, so we can do this. Since this is a I tag, so we can directly say that I, and then we can say margin right, like say 10 pixel. 10 pixel is too much, 5 pixel maybe. Yep, looking awesome. So this is how we use FontAwesome. I hope you guys like this quick video. Thank you so much for watching.